Have you ever ended a really long, full day, looked at your to-do list, and realized that one really important thing that you really needed to get done didn't get done?
Oh my God, yes.
Here's what I've learned after years of studying the brain. That is not a discipline problem. That is a design problem.
Wait, what?
See, we treat willpower and motivation like the engine, but they're not the engine. They're the fuel. And the tank is really small. Your brain burns it on every decision, every distraction, every stressful moment all day long. So by the time you sit down to do the work that really matters, you're running on empty. Now that is not a character flaw. That's neurology. Look, the people who perform consistently aren't grinding harder. They've just built systems that still work when the motivation is gone and the day gets loud and crazy. And that is not hustle. That's just smart science.